Hi and welcome to my channel, guys. So I have just finished unboxing the cohorted box, and yeah, it's sad that I'm not going to get no more, and I've still got that lip stain on me, and it's fine, it's not going anywhere really. It's like chalk. Weird. Anyway, so I have got a new box. My first box of this box is the Look Incredible box. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on this, seeing what they get in it, been thinking about it for a few months, but just didn't really bother. But then I thought, just dive in and just do it. Like this time, do it. So I went for the deluxe version, obviously because it's the same price as the cohorted. So I thought I'd get the best one. I mean, look at this. This is a nice box. So shiny. I do like it. Right, so let's do it. This just came today as well. So here we go. Right, so we get a little card. I won't show you that because it's got everything on it. And we'll see what's in it. So it's not as packed as the cohorted box was, which is kind of a killer. But, you know, the items might be worth a good lot. So the first item, kind of a bit peed off that the box is like this. Okay. Anyway, so the first item is the Skin Chemist's London Anti-Aging Cucumber Peel Off Mask. Ooh, anti-stress, suitable for all skin types. Our cucumber peel off masks aims to deep clean, distress and refresh your skin, containing balancing and nutrition like chamomile extract and Arctic barberry extract. Works to clean and distress your skin gently. Apply a thick, opaque, even layering onto clean, dry skin. Avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline and lips. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry. Gently peel off the mask and from the outer edges and rinse off any residue with warm water. Use once or twice a week. So that's the first item we have. Put you up there with my cohorted stuff. Okay, the second one. Ooh, do you know what? I've never had an item from this place. Never ever. Thought about buying stuff from it, but never have. So it's nice that I've got this box and I'm actually getting this kind of stuff. But it's Tarte. And it is a High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Colour Splash Lipstick. I'm not really into my lipsticks. But, you know, it's Miami Vice. Similar colour to the one I got out of cohort, colour-wise. Colour-wise, not the same thing. Ooh, I like the packaging, though. I'm actually going to keep everything I get. Wow. Do you know what? The packaging is amazing. I like that. Please don't be broke. Please don't be... Wow. I tell you what, it looks not the same colour as the packaging, but I'm actually digging the fact that it's darker. I actually might even wear that. I think the only reason why I don't really bother wearing these kind of lipsticks is because they tend to just go in your teeth or get everywhere. And the matte lipsticks, they just dry and then it's like they're just there all day. Well, mainly all day. So I'm doing all the small items. So this is the last of the small items. I've never had anything from here either. Elizabeth Arden Crystal Clear Lip Gloss. So I'm guessing it's just crystal clear, right? I'm guessing it's so like you can maybe put it over your lipstick. Make it look a bit shiny. Maybe. Yeah. So, oh yeah. Oh, it's in a weird packaging. But it looks like that. Clear lip gloss for your lips. Put that there. So, anyway, the last item is the biggest one. Wrapped up in bubble wrap. And it is the Becca Ocean Jewels. I can't even read, right? Ocean Jewels collection. This is the packaging. So I'm guessing this must be like a makeup palette, yeah. So I'm saying, this is what I mean. I like makeup more than I do skincare stuff. And it's like, I can always do like another video creating a look with whatever I get. Whereas I've not been into doing videos at the minute with my beauty videos. I've been a bit crap. Oh, I can't even get it out. Oh, this is nice. See, I wouldn't normally buy this, but look at that packaging. I wouldn't normally buy it. I've never even heard of this brand. Not even being funny or anything, but I've just never heard of it. I'm trying to open it carefully so I don't break anything. Ooh. They are mainly like shimmery colours. I don't know if it's... Oh, it's a highlighter palette. It's not a thing. Look at that. Get a mirror. Oh my god, this is really nice. Oh my god, this is really nice. Just try some of them. That's one of the colours. Pinky colour. They feel so good too. So that's what all of them look like. And I'm just going to work on my skin. Oh my god, this is so good. And there. Oh, look at that. They're so nice. Do you know what? I am actually pleased. I was like looking at it thinking there's not much in this box, and you know, it's a bit crap compared to Coward, but what you're getting, I know I've got makeup in it and I love my makeup, so this is like amazing. And the colours in it are Coral Crystal, Triangle, Aquamarine, Pink, Pyrite and Sunstone. I can't see them, but maybe I need glasses, I don't know. But even the package alone is amazing. I love it. So let's dig into this and let's see what it's worth. So the Skin Anti-Aging Cucumber Facial Mask is worth £20. The Elizabeth Arden Crystal Clear Lip Gloss is £18. Wow. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Lipstick is £20. Actually, it does say it should last for 12 hours, actually. So, yeah. And then the brand of the month is the Becca. And the Becca Ocean Jewels Highlighter Palette retails at £41. Wow. So even that's more than what you paid for your box anyway. So anyway, the box is where you've got £99 worth of products for £35. I mean, with Cohorted you get maybe more because, like I said, the box was worth £187. So you're basically getting 4 times your money. I don't know, quite a lot. It's just, for me, it was just the makeup side of it. But like I said, I'm gonna continue this box. I'm happy with this box. This box is nice. I really don't see how that's gonna last 12 hours when it's rubbing off on my finger already. Lipsticks are weird. That's why I don't use them. But yeah, so yeah, I enjoyed unboxing this, and this is my first one. So yeah, it's pretty good for the first one. Lipstick, lip gloss, mask and a highlighter palette. Obviously, I can't really do a video out of those. But like when I do get like full-on makeup, like eyeshadow parts and stuff like that, I can. But yeah, I enjoyed unboxing it, and I have enjoyed this box. So yeah. So, welcome to our new unboxing of the Look Fabulous box, and hopefully, you know, we will continue to... Oh, there's a thing here. And hopefully we'll continue to get really good items in this box and keep it going. I will always have a box, regardless. It just depends which one. But for now, this one wins because of the makeup. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time.